Okay guys, continuing here. Now we need to create one page for each one of those options. Okay, we have 10 options of the menu. We're gonna have to create 10 pages, one for each one. So since we already have our page menu and the others will follow the same style, in other words, no footer, one header, back button. I did like this title on the top here, so let's try to keep that. So in this case, let's, from our existing template that was created by Dreamweaver, let's delete this page 3 and 4 because they don't have the style we need. And let's duplicate this page that we already have the format that we're gonna work with. Okay, so now we have both this page double. Okay, so let's clean this menu first. We're not gonna need this. Let's delete. Okay, now let's start on creating the other page. First we need to create an ID for each one. So let's create the same name as the option. For example, this one here, let's call breakfast. The other one, Brazilian lunch. No spaces, no capital letter, something like an ID. Regular lunch, sand, wishes, enchilada, crepes, oops, mistake, crepes, specialties. You see, I'm creating here the ID for each one, so it's easy to do. Appetizers, oops, appetizers, sweet options, very easy. So this ID needs to make sense because it's gonna facilitate when we browse our code. So let's see, the first one we can call the breakfast, of course. Then we need to give this ID name for the next page, which is this one, breakfast. And the back button is not going back to home anymore. Now we're gonna go back to the menu page. So let's go down again here. Let's change the link for this back button. You see the back button here? So let's call it menu. So now the back button calls menu, goes back to menu. And the header also does not gonna call menu anymore. This is breakfast. Great. I mean, let's keep on saying menu, and then we can give a name in here. The title is gonna look nice saying the breakfast. We're gonna see now how this is gonna look. So let's test back. Let's call now breakfast. Comes to breakfast. You see, looks nice. We have a title with the name of this part of the restaurant menu, and the back goes back to the menu. Very easy, very simple. We just copy and paste and made few changes, and now we have our breakfast page ready to receive all the options for the breakfast. Easy. We're gonna do the same thing for the others. For example, let's copy now this breakfast page, paste. Let's get the second ID, which is Brazilian lunch. We can copy to avoid mistakes. Paste, oops, pasting here. Let's also change the title, and then let's fix here Brazilian. Let's give a space, lunch. Great. And the back goes to the same location. Let's try again here. Let's go from the beginning. Menu, breakfast, comes to breakfast, back. Brazilian lunch, goes to Brazilian lunch, back. So very easy. It's nice to do it. So I'm gonna do all of them. I'm gonna pause the video and then we come back. I come back to you guys.